these windows are quite high up, too high for me to reach. So the main reason why I stopped using the water-fed pole, I only rely on it for really out of reach windows. The rest has got to be done traditional. It's got to be, for me, because my standard of work is not the same as most people's standard of work. You know, the customer is going to pay me to clean their windows, right? I need to make sure that I'm doing the job as best I can. I will never get as best I can using a water-fed pole. So what I'm going to do is clean the frame, which I've just done with my brush. I'm going to put my tool in the right place at the right time once I've got this soap in, and I'm going to put a nice figure 8 manoeuvre on that top window. Lovely. Okay, I can just about reach. No, I can't. So if I want to reach that top frame, I want to get rid of them drips. Let's take off first of all the first divider frame. Now I've got enough soap on there to rub my wet washer in, and I've got a nice soap solution. I've got good control of my squeegee. I'm going to put my 17-inch squeegee here. I'm going to make a nice minimum manoeuvre, close out to the side here on these windows, because I've got nice smooth sill to close out on, and that window is done. Right, let's move over, do the next one. So I don't need the water-fed pole, I don't need the ladder, I don't need a one hand, I don't want really one size squeegee fits all. I just want to be adaptable, versatile, and get the best job possible done in the quickest amount of time. So cut in, come down, make that figure 8 manoeuvre, and then close out on the bottom. Get my longest squeegee, take off the excess. Okay, now last part. See, I've got a 22-inch washer here. This is my most used squeegee combination with big windows. 22-inch washer and 17-inch squeegee here, and close up to the side again there, and just finish off the frames. Lovely. How long did that take me? Well, let's have a look at the time. A couple of minutes, for zero detail, zero mistake. Lovely.